I'm looking to selling V101S index at this point, and all I have to do is wait patiently for price to get to this level before I take my sales. Most of you prefer forcing trades and not being patient enough to wait for price to get to your buy or sell zones before taking trades on them. Most of you would want to go to a lower time frame like the 5-minute time frame and start identifying levels that you're not supposed to identify. Some of you will be like, okay, let me mark up this level, then wait for price to get to this point, then you buy, because you're expecting price to actually get to this identified level for you to enter, which is a very wrong approach, which is a very bad trading mentality. Wait patiently for price to get to your level. You don't have to force the market, you don't have to force trades, you don't have to buy to any level to sell to it. Like we're expecting the sales at this point, you don't have to buy to this level for price to sell, for you to take your sales on it, because price may not get to this level. Actually, price may not move to this expected buy level. Price may sell from here to the downside, and when price sells from here to the downside, I have already taken your buy trade. Definitely you'll be going in with a loss, which would affect your trading psychology, which would set you back mentally and as well set you back financially. It will definitely affect your trading capital. So wait patiently for price to get to your sell zone before taking trades on them. So why am I expecting the sells on this level? Why am I expecting the sell trade on V101S index at this point? We're having a market analysis on this index in today's video. We're analyzing from the higher time frame, that's the weekly time frame, down to a lower time frame like the 5-minute time frame or the 1-minute time frame. Right, so coming to the weekly time frame on this index, we can see that this index has been at a range. Would say this index has been at the range, and as well it has been in an uptrend. Let's identify the market structure. This is the range of this index. Market creating equal highs and equal lows, and this is the market trend here. Market moving an uptrend, creating higher highs and higher lows, which got broken. We had this previous uptrend that got broken on V101S index. So what do you expect of this index, on how you have gotten price break out of this uptrend, and as well we've seen price react on this horizontal resistance level here. First reaction here, not actually a first reaction, we got the first reaction on this index at this point, the second reaction at this zone, right? The third reaction here. This level has been a key level. Price has always reacted and rejected when it gets to this level. The fifth reaction at this point, and currently the sixth reaction at this zone. And we can see that whenever price gets to this level, whenever price gets to this key resistance level, it sells to the downside, and the sells comes to test this support level, right? What do I mean by this? You can see how price got to this point, it sold to the downside, and these sells went further to come test this support level. The same thing happened at this point. Price pushed to the upside and rejected at this point, sold to the downside. This sell was pushed further to come test this support level. The same thing happened here the third time. Price got to this point, sold to the downside. These sells came to this support level again. The same thing here, they moved to the upside, the rejection here, price sold further to this level. The same thing here, they move here, the rejection here, price sold further to the downside to this level. So if price can get to this point and sell to the downside, get to this point, sell to the downside to our trend support, price is likely to do the same thing at this point, because analysis is basically using past market moves to predict future market moves. So this is the past market moves we've had on this index, and we're trying to use what's happened previously, what's happened historically, to predict what could happen here on this index. So let's expect price to sell further to this level. So going to the day time frame on this index, we can clearly see that this index was in an uptrend, creating higher highs and higher lows, heading to the upside. Market is bullish at this point. So let's spot the market structure as well. This price being an uptrend, right? And we got our trend support at this point. Price bought from the trend support, bought from here again as a trend support. The second time, the third time at this point, trend support, and the last buys we got at this zone before price broke below. This is our trend support, currently turned resistance, right? So you can see that market is no longer trading inside of this trend. Market has shifted from an uptrend to a downtrend currently, because this trend support failed to hold at this point. You can see how massive this bearish engulfing candle is, as broke below our trend support. You can see our trend resistance at this point. First reaction here, resistance as well at this zone, resistance at this point as well, resistance, and that's it basically. Market reaction on this level as a trend support and a trend resistance, which got broke. So you can see that price has shifted from an uptrend to a downtrend, and when market is trending to the downside, as we got at this point, we should be looking at for more of sell opportunities, and when market is trending to the upside, we should be looking at for more of buy opportunities. So that's why I'm expecting the sells on V101S index at this point. So the 4-hour time frame, we have a level, an important zone which I marked up. So I'm expecting price to give us a move to this level, and already before this formation, we had price create a lower high and lower low structure. Market is actually bearish at this point. The market was trending to the downside, creating lower highs and lower lows, right? So we got our trend resistance at that point, and we got our trend support at this point. So we can see our price going to the downside, creating lower highs and lower lows, and we have our key level of support, which price has always reacted on. You got the first price as a support, the second buy is here as a support, the third buy is here as a support. This is creating on the 1 hour time frame. You can see our price has reacting on this level as a support level. Let's spot and mark up these reactions on this level. First reaction here, not really a clear test of this level because price broke below it before pushing back to the upside. A support here, the first time, the second time here, the third time at this point, the fourth time, right? Third time at this point, the fourth time at this zone. And you can see our price broke below this level. This level was broken, support broken, turned resistance. It was a break off level at this point, support broken, turned resistance. You got a retest, first retest, this is not really a proper retest. So I'm expecting price to move to this level for us to get the sales to the downside. So if price can give us a move to the upside from this current price level, we're looking at to sell this index from this identified level. So that's my view and analysis on VT1S index. That's my expectation basically. What is the 15-minute time frame saying? You can see that price still in an uptrend on the 15-minute time frame. Price creating this little higher highs and higher lows on the 15-minute time frame. We could expect price to give the little buys to this level for us to take the sales on this index, right? And we had a formation which gave these buys we are seeing currently. We had the reversal pattern formation and had the neckline at this on this a double bottom formation, a bullish reversal pattern formation. I always emphasize on reversal pattern formations because they play a big role in the market's direction, the market change of direction. So we have this double bottom formation at this point. So if price can give us a move to the upside from this current price level, if price can give us a little move to the upside, looking at for reversal pattern formation in lower time frame like the 5-minute time frame on the 1-minute time frame at that identified level, right? It's perfectly the 5-minute time frame, looking at for a good reversal pattern formation at this point to short this index. So you're paying attention to this level on this index. Let's watch in the couple of hours and minutes for a move to the upside to take the sales on this index. So that's this guys, that's my market analysis, and that's how I approach the market. I mark up my levels and zones and wait for price to patiently get to my identified level to take my trade on. So that's this guys, my like button for my market analysis and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. And to my tiny viewers, I appreciate the support for engaging my videos. Really makes a lot, guys. Let's do more and do for you. Peace.